Bury the screens and bring back ideas with whiteboard wall paint for offices. Reduces mental clutter through visual organization. Visualize your tasks, deadlines, and goals on a whiteboard wall. Breaking down overwhelming lists into manageable pieces helps your team focus and reduces stress. Encourages movement and alleviates screen fatigue. Step away from your screens. Writing and brainstorming on whiteboard walls gets employees moving, reduces eye strain, and keeps minds alert. Fosters team support and open communication. Interactive walls make meetings inclusive. Everyone can share ideas, fostering peer support and stronger team collaboration. Creates flexible mental break zones. Designate part of your wall for stress relief. Doodle, post affirmations, or share quotes to refresh the mind and spark creativity. Supports progress tracking and positive reinforcement. Track milestones and tasks visually. Whiteboard walls keep everyone aligned, motivated, and focused on successes. Transforms offices into more supportive environments. Empower your team with expressive, writable spaces. Boost mental wellness, reduce stress, and create a positive office culture. Ready to transform your office environment? Take the next step toward a more productive, collaborative, and stress-free workplace. Call us at 800-936-2159 and speak with a friendly coding specialist. Or visit us at remarkablecoding.com.